Welcome to a special edition of Investors Insights. Today's topic is higher rates and your money. So this week, and for the sixth time this year, the Federal Reserve announced another rate hike in its attempt to bring down inflation. And we think it's important to talk about how rate hikes actually impact the average person. It's also important to point out that while financing costs are immediately impacted, it usually takes some time for higher rates to impact other economic activity, which has been proven as inflation is still too high, even with the actions taken by the Fed this year. So let's talk about the immediate impact that rate increases by the Fed will have on the average consumer. First, credit cards will be impacted because most interest rates on credit cards are variable rates. We've already seen the average credit card interest go up 3% this year. And with credit card interest being one of the highest rates that consumers pay, it's important to look at credit card debt carefully with higher rates. Second, mortgages. We have already seen mortgage rates climb higher significantly this year, with the average 30-year fixed rate near 7%, which is the highest in over 20 years. This has had a direct impact on housing as higher mortgage rates make owning a home more difficult. Third, other consumer loans, such as car loans and student loans, have seen a much higher interest rates than previous years, with the average car loan over 5.5% in climbing. Last, with the downside of higher rates on consumer loans and housing markets, there's a small bright side, and that is there's higher rates, and that is the consumer savings accounts are earning higher rates. Depending on what financial institution, we've seen interest rates on savings about 3%, even above 3%, which is a lot higher than it was before the Fed started raising rates this year. So, as the Fed is expected to continue to raise rates to fight inflation, it's important to look at all the impacts on your individual finances and your financial plan. If you have any questions about this topic, please reach out to our firm, File Plan Partners. Thanks for watching.